Hi, I'm Adam Atkins, and we're going to make a pizza bianca. Okay, so we are going to cook a pizza bianca. This is a salsiccia e Friarielli. It's a white-based pizza, so no sauce is going on this one. It's going to have some nice cheese, some Friarielli, which is a wild Italian broccoli that's sautéed in chili and garlic, and we're going to hit that with some nice sausage. You'd normally use like an Italian fennel sausage, but we're just going to use some really nice high-end herby ones here, and it's going to bang. So let's do it. I'm going to grab a dough ball, upside down, and some flour. So you can use your favourite pizza dough, any dough you like. Mine's a traditional Neapolitan pizza dough. This is just running at a low hydration of about 60%. It's going to create a very nice, classic-looking crust. Not too big, puffy on the edges, not too contemporary. I'm going to slap it out. Swipe away the excess. There we go, got our base. So at this point, normally when you make pizza, you put sauce on it. We're gonna start off with our Friarielli. So this is the Friarielli. If you have trouble finding this, you can just substitute it for like a tender stem broccoli. Just find one that's quite leafy, put it in a pan with some oil and some garlic and some chili, and it will end up like this. So there you go, we're gonna get some basil. We're gonna get our filo di latte mozzarella. Right, and this is when we're going to get our sausage, and what we're going to do is we're just going to pinch off little bits. So we're going to make sure they're just small enough that they're going to cook in the oven in the time it's in there. And you want to lay this on top as well, because if you lay it underneath the toppings, then it's going to get hidden by the flame and it's not going to cook through. So you want about half a sausage per pizza. Just got to make sure that the little chunks of sausage are going to be small enough that they're going to cook in the oven in the time it takes to cook the pizza. Alternatively, you can pre-cook the sausage first if you're not fond on doing it this way. And that's good. I'm just going to clean my hands. Okay, cool. Then we're going to get some pecorino. Just going to grate some on top. Use whatever hard cheese you like. I like to use pecorino. It's got a bit more of a punch. We're going to get our olive oil. Nice little amount of olive oil on there. And I'm going to finish this off with a little bit of fennel seed, because we're not using a classic fennel sausage. So I'm just going to give it that little bit of fennel punch. So this pizza, classically, I used to cook it in rock box all the time. It'll work perfectly in rock box or dome. We're running dome today. It's running at about 500 degrees. This pizza should cook in about 80 odd seconds. So we're just going to scoop it up, straight onto the peel, stretch it out. You want to just rejig your toppings a little bit, make sure that all the way to the edges, and that sausage is there on top. And this is good to go. And into the oven, towards the back. Straight down. Okay, so just gonna keep spinning this pizza, getting it nice and coloured all the way around. Always checking the underside. There is our pizza bianca. This is a classic salsiccia Friarielli. We've got a really nice cook all the way around, nice colour on the crust. Hear that? It's crunchy, but it's soft. Check the underside, look good. Let's give it a taste. That's a banger. Let's do it, Glenn.
Very nice. I like the broccoli stuff. That's fun, isn't it?
It's lovely.